Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about the quick publication journal and high acceptance rate journal in the indexing of Scopus categories, UGC listed category and also SCI index journal. And these all types of the journal published by Springer Journal. So first category of the journal name is Journal of Material Science, and acceptance rate of this journal 12%, and you will get the notification within 18 days only, and impact factor is really very good 3.5. Now if we will focus on indexing whether this journal related to UGC care listed, Scopus, SC index journal, so we can find each and every information in this particular right hand side portion. So just see Scopus index journal and also related to SCI index journal, and you can see here many more indexing like UGC care listed journals, so you can see here. So this is how we can search about the indexing. Now what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal, कौन कौन से वो ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें आप अपना रिसर्च पेपर इस जर्नल में पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. So you can see here this section will provide all the information in this particular section. So like topics, so structure, properties and usage of materials. Materials include metals, ceramic glasses, polymer, energy material, electrical materials, composite materials. So these types of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under these topics, then you can publish your research paper in this high speed journal, Springer category journal and quick publication journal. If you want to more about this journal, so just click on this particular site. So it will be redirected to the this particular page. Here you will get all the detailed information that you want to know about this journal. Now so here you will get the note in all the detailed information. So within 3 months your research paper will get published in this quality index journal, Springer category journal, and within 19 days or 18 days you will get the notification whether your research paper accepted or not or minor change. So all the kind of the detailed information you can see here. And so really very quick publication channel, you so grab this golden opportunity to publish your manuscript and research article. So just explore here. So you can see here about this journal. So this journal published in both category, electronic version and also the print version. And you can see also again abstract and indexing whether this journal related to Scopus, UGC care listed. So you can see this journal really very rich indexing and huge indexing and abstracting of this journal. So Scopus category, SCI index journal, SCIE index category journal and also the UGC care listed journal and many more. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper if your research paper comes under these topics and title. Now how we will publish our research paper, so just click on the menu. Here you will get the my account. So if you are new on this Springer platform, so then you have to create your account. So just put your credential and you can sign up your research in this particular Springer account, and then you can submit your research paper to this journal. Now next category of the journal of cloud computing, especially dedicated to the computer science and IT researchers. So if your research area comes under this particular discipline, then you can publish your research paper in this top quality journal. Now you will get the notification within 46 days. So really very good chances to acceptance your research paper, because the acceptance rate of this journal is 12%. So really if you are having the own content and original content, really it will be highly appreciable to publish your research paper in this quick publication journal. So focus in indexing, so whether this journal related to Scopus, so you can see here this section will provide the information like Scopus index journal, SCIE index journal and also many more indexing. And you can see here all the detail will be get here. So and so you just click on this particular topics and title, and here you will get see a DBLP and many more indexing. So this is how we can see about this particular indexing and abstracting and what types of the topics we can publish in this quality journal. So this section, aim and scope section, will provide the information related to the topics and titles. So explore this section very carefully. See here you will get the all the topics and title that you can publish your research. If you want to more explore about this journal, so just click on the visit the journal homepage, so it will be redirected to the particular site. So you will get the notification, and also you can see about the author's guidance and many more things. So explore this particular journal homepage site. Next category of the journal is the nano scale research letters, and you will get the notification within 36 days. So most probably you will get notification within 1 month, and the acceptance rate is really very high, 36%. So your research paper acceptance is really very high. So explore this journal if your research area comes under this particular topics and title. And this section will provide the indexing whether your research paper, whether this journal is related to the Scopus category, SCI category, and also UGC care listed journal. So you can see here really this journal will be having good indexing. So you can see here the journal comes under the category UGC care listed journal, SCI index journal, and Scopus category journal. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper if your topics and title comes under this particular topics and aim and scope. Now if you want to explore about this journal more, so just click on the visit the journal homepage. So it will be redirected to the journal homepage. Here we will get all the detailed information like the submission guideline, articles, about all the things you will get here. Now in this section annual journal metrics, so here you will find about this journal metrics like the times of publications, in how many days you will get the notification. So you can see here after getting the first decision, your research paper will get published within 22 days. So really very good chances to publish your research paper and really quick publication journal. So total time if you will say, so 48 days you will get the notification first decision, and after that 22 days are required to publication days. So really within 70 days, and most probably your research paper will get 2 to 3 months at Springer journal. So really very appreciable about this particular journal. So if you want to know about this journal in detail, so explore this page very carefully. Now next journal category is the service oriented computing and application. So this type of journal is especially related to the computer science and background student and discipline students. So you can see here you will get the notification within 65 days. So most probably you will get the notification within 65 hours, and the acceptance rate of this journal is 24%. So the chances of your research paper acceptance very high. So if your research area comes under these topics and title, then you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. So if you want to know about the indexing of this journal, so this section will provide the information like, so you can see here this journal related to UGC care listed journal, Scopus category journal, DVLP category journal, and also SCI category, and many more indexing. So explore this journal in detail, and you can see this section will provide the topics and title, what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under these topics, then you can publish your research paper. So अगर आपका research titles and research area इन सभी topics से match करता है, then you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal and quick publication journal. And if you want to know more about this journal, so just click on this particular section, visit the journal home page. So it will redirect it to the new journal home page. Here you will get all the detailed information like how we will prepare our research paper. So you will have all the guidelines related to the manuscript preparation and many more things. Next category of the journal of advanced ceramics. So you will get the notification within 30 days. Only 30 days you will get the notification, and the acceptance rate of this journal is 12%, and impact factor also good 2.8. And if you want to know about this journal indexing and abstract, you can see explore this journal section. So here you will get the notification all the things related to the indexing. So whether they generated to the Scopus category, SCI categories, UGC category, all the things you will get here. So you can see here this journal related to the SCI category, UGC listed journal, SCI category, and as Scopus category. And if you want to know about the publication charges, so you can see here, and what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal, you can see here these type of all the types of the details, and you can see here in this particular section. So अगर आपका research area इन सारे topics and titles से match करता है, then you can publish your research paper in this quick publication journal, high acceptance rate journal, and UGC K listed journal, Springer category journal. And if you want to know more about this particular journal, so just click on this particular tab, so it will be redirected to the journal home page. Here you will get all the detailed information. So you can see here within 14 days you will get the notification, and after that total time required to publish 104 days. So this is how we can submit our research paper. And if you want to know about the published article with this journal, so you can see or you can explore this particular section and just explore whether this journal published in both category like electronic version and print version. So you can see here about this journal. Here you will find this journal published in both category, print version and also the electronic version. And you in this section you will get the about the indexing, UGC K listed journal, SC index journal, and Scopus category journal. So this is how we can submit our research paper, and we can explore even, and we can have the information about each and every journal. Next category of the journal, integrating materials and manufacturing innovation. You will get the notification within 16 days. So you will get the notification within 16 days. Really very good thing, quick publication journal, and the acceptance rate is 46%. So really very good chances to publish your research paper in this quality index journal, because the acceptance rate is very high, 46, really fabulous. So explore this golden opportunity. And if you want to know about this particular index in general indexing, whether they generated to Scopus category, you can see here all the detailed information. So you can see this generated to Scopus category and SCI index journal, UGC K listed journal, and publication charge also given here. And if you want to explore about the journal topics and title, वो कौन कौन से ऐसे topics हैं जो हम अपने इस research paper में publish कर सकते हैं. So you will have the topics and title, aim and scope, what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal. So you can see here you can have the information in this particular section, aim and scope. If you want to know about more in detail, so just explore this particular section, visit the journal homepage. So you will have the detailed information. So just click on this particular section, so it will be redirected to the journal homepage. Here you will get the notification and all the details. So within 18 days, 81 days, you will research paper will get published. So total time required, so within 3 to 4 months, maximum 3 to 4 months, your research paper will get published in this quick publication journal and quality index journal. Next category of this journal is Journal of Civil Structure Health Monitoring, and the publication time, and you will get the notification within 65 days. So most probably you will get the notification about your manuscript and research article within 65 days. And the acceptance rate is really very good, 35%. So the chances of your research paper acceptance is very high. And if you want to explore more in detail about this journal, so you can see here whether this journal is related to Scopus category. So in this section you will have the information like indexing and abstracting. So this journal is related to Scopus category journal, UGC K listed journal, SCI category journal. So this is how we can see or explore the all the detailed information. And if you want to know about the topics and title, what types of the topics and title covered by this journal, published by this journal, so this information we will have in this particular section. So explore this section very carefully. If your research area falls under this particular topics and title, then you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal and quick publication journal. अगर आपके research paper इन सभी topics से match करता, then you can publish your research paper. And if you want to more about this journal, so explore this section, visit the journal homepage. So it will be redirected to the journal homepage. Here you will get the all the detailed information like aim and scope, editorial board member, journal update, journal description part, and you will get the here about 178 days your research paper will get published. So most probably your research paper will get published within 4 to 5 months, and all information you can explore from here. So this journal published in both category, electronic version, print version category, and this section will have the information about the indexing and abstract. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are new at this channel, explore and also subscribe this channel so you will have the notification for upcoming videos, and do like the video if you feel this channel is useful and supportive towards your research areas. So subscribe the channel and also help your friends by sharing this channel and this video. Thank you friends.